Experience a fundamental shift in jet engines. Driven by industry-leading architecture, the Pratt & Whitney geared turbofan is unlike any engine that's come before it. An engine in a league of its own. With over 20 years of innovation and more than 40 groundbreaking technologies, the GTF delivers significant reductions in fuel burn, noise, and regulated emissions. It's powering a new generation of commercial aircraft platforms across a unique family of engines with an extraordinary runway for growth, innovation, and scalability. At Pratt & Whitney, we connect families, flying more people further with less. Together, we go beyond.